So I'll be joining all this into one piece. Then I'm going to iron it to, that is two sides. I'm going to iron the two sides to form bias. Okay, so I will join all these pieces. Oh, thanks, Adam Secret Love. Thanks so much for joining my life. I appreciate. So this width is 2 inches. This is 2 inches wide, and the length is just according to your desire. Yeah, or according as you desire. That's how the length is. It's getting longer, so I'm going to add another one to it like this. I'm attaching another one, so you do it right side facing each other. You keep on adding till you are done with everything. Right side facing each other. So I'm done. This machine is heavy. Oh no,